Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to change benefit providers in Gusto. So switching benefit providers, whether you're upgrading plans or moving to a better deal, Gusto lets you make that transition without throwing payroll into chaos. And here's how to change your benefit provider in just a few steps. Step 1, log in and navigate to benefits. Now, first thing you want to do is to log into your Gusto admin account and go to the benefits tab and click on the team benefits. Now, this is your control panel for all current benefits. Step 2, review current provider details. Now you're going to click on the plan that you're replacing, could be medical, dental, vision, whatever it is, and take note of the termination date and final coverage period for the current provider. Now this helps you to avoid gaps in coverage for your employees. Step 3, notify Gusto. So if Gusto is managing your benefits, you want to contact their support team or your benefit advisor directly through the dashboard, and they're going to assist you with closing out the old provider and setting up the new one, including of course synchronizing it with payroll. Step 4, add the new provider. Now if you're managing your own benefits, you're going to click on add new plan in the benefits section, and then just choose the type of benefits. It could be medical, dental, whatever it is. Go ahead and choose that, and then enter the provider name as well as coverage details and effective dates. Now you'll also impute premium amounts, employer contributions, and deduction frequency. Step 5, invite employees to enroll in the new plan. Now once the new plan is added, you want to select employees that you want to enroll, and then you're going to click invite to enroll. Gusto is going to send them an email so that they can choose their coverage options by themselves. Step 6, terminate the old. Now after the new plan is active and employees are enrolled, you want to return to the old benefit plan in Gusto and then click end coverage, and then you're going to select the termination date to officially close it out. Step 7, review payroll deductions. Now you want to double check that payroll deductions reflect the new provider's rates. Just go to people, employee name, and compensation to confirm everything's updated and corrected. And that's it. You've officially switched benefit providers in Gusto. Smooth, efficient, and no disruption to your team's coverage. That's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you guys liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.